Here we have to evaluate the following 4x4 determinant, and up to now we've had two main techniques, and that was expanding along a row or column, and we also had the row operations or column operations, just call them row ops, to try and bring it or get closer to echelon form. And what we're going to do here, and in general it's a good idea, is to use a combination of both techniques, and that usually yields the best results. So let's do it here. Now notice that this column could be brought to be mostly zeros, or 5 and 3 zeros, if I just got this to be 0, which I can do with a row operation if I subtract 3 times the top row from the bottom row, or more precisely this row 4, subtract 3 times row 1 and put that into row 4, and that brings us here, like 15 minus 3 times 5 is 0, minus 7 take away minus 9 is 2, minus 2 take away 3 times minus 1 is 1. This is what we get. And now what I would suggest is expanding along the second column, and since it's mostly zeros we only have to consider the 5 element, so I'll cross out the row, and notice that this is a minus on the checkerboard pattern, plus minus. So we have minus times the 5 times the minor, which is this determinant, 3 by 3.